ACT's HSC, or heatsink cooler, offers the most economic way to dissipate high heat loads in a sealed environment. This is our best-selling option, as the sleek side-mounted design can be coupled to any outside surface, creating a NEMA-tight seal that keeps your electronics not only cool, but safe from the external environment. The efficient heat transfer is achieved by having air circulate throughout the cabinet to collect waste heat at an internal heatsink, conducting that heat through the mounting plate, and rejecting that heat with a mirrored external heatsink fan assembly. The seal plus efficient heat transfer provides a reliable solution that keeps your electronics cool and your cabinet clean. The HSC includes 3 power capacity ratings and multiple NEMA ratings, including the 4X option with corrosion-resistant E-coated fins and aircraft-quality aluminum. With fans rated for over 100,000 hours of operation, this product offers the best-in-class combination of price, maintenance-free operation, and performance. Need a quick solution? This product can be ordered online and delivered within 2 weeks.